Kanusa ang complete birthday sa ato ang birthday celebrant? A. September 8, 1979. B. September 8, 1978. C. September 8, 1990. D. September 8, 1972. And 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, sure na dyan mo? Yes! Sure na? Yes! Okay, naghanap kay mga lawat. Charla. Alright, letter B is? Alright, correct. Hey, 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 hey. Alright, next question, this is only a general knowledge. Question number 2. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Again, it's general knowledge. Ayoko yung hindi mo kapaluan ni guys. What is the largest planet in our system? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus. D. Pluto. Again, please no coaching. No coaching, alright? No coaching, please. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus. D. Pluto. Or E. Linamon. Timer starts. Answer and go! Alright. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is?
Correct.
Correct! Amayo ni ha? Amayo ni. Ba, kabalo ko ka ni kasunod-sunod lang. Diyos ko. Question number 3. It's all about science. What is the chemical symbol of water? What is the chemical symbol of water? A. HCI. B. HO2. C. H2O. Or D. CO2. Lisod sa kayo na kagante manudlo. Si. Hey, ginawa ko. Dugay kita mahuman ani. Again, audience, please keep your mouth shut. Alright? Para dili ta matudlo. Pagkalingaw mo kaon sa likod, palihog lang. Ay mo sige panudlo, kay madugay ta ani. Alright, what is the chemical symbol for water? A. HCI, B. HO2, C. H2O, D. CO2. And go! Dito ta mahuman ani kay kasunod-sunod silang tanan. Alright, next question. Ay, wait. Balik. Kaya nagtabi eh. Sige. Sure na jud ka. Ayaw. Ikaw rin naglahi. Okay. Let's see is correct. Alright. Next question is geography. Alright, geography, ha? Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Again, which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. Linamon, Emela. A. Japan. B. Thailand. C. Italy. D. Turkey. Go! Walay manudlo at kailan ang pakpak. Hala ka, sunod-sunod sila. Kajud lang. Kabalo man ko, wala sila kabalo ka, sunod-sunod. Kajud. Ipit pa to. So, Bebe, again, which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Okay? Walay may answer sa letter D, C, B, and A. The correct answer is letter? Sure na dyan mo, dara mo. Nabag-o naman karon. Tungod sa Bini. Nabag-o na. Japan is correct! Next question is all about history. Who was the first president of the United States of America? Pantay magsunod-sunod na po ni. Dapay na jud ni ha? Boys, time pa. Kajot lang. Kanimitaw na sa tubangan, gato na mo sa likod, B. Bailo mo, kay kamoy kasunod-sunuron. Sa likod. Likod, kay kasunod-sunuron mo. Likod, dato. Kanang nasa tubangan, sa likod. Okay. Again, history. Who was the first president of the United States of America? A. John Adams, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. George Washington, or D. James Madison? Again, who is the first president of the United States of America? A. John Adams, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. George Washington, or D. James Madison? Go! Walay mo, todo. Aron, nabahin na, John. Sige. Ay, ganahan ko, kadali ra kay mahuman. Again, question, history. Who was the first president of the United States of America? A. John Adams, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. George Washington, or D. James Madison? Alright, so kinsa ni answer og letter A? Okay, pila mo kabuok? Duha. Sa B, 1, 2, 3. Ay, salamat. Dali ra ni mahuman. Kanina ka. Alright, tagaan ta mo og another chance. Who was the first president of the United States of America? A. John Adams, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. George Washington, or D. James Madison? Alright, so sure na John, kasi. Bakay, sa'yo kita mahuman ron. Again, who was the first president of the United States of America? A. John Adams, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. George Washington, or D. James Madison? Alright, pila naman ang A, B, A? Daga na. Ang B, B. Sige, tunga kay inuog ko. Alright, the correct answer is letter B. Letter C. George Washington! Dili mo singit. Again, ni singit. Nakita na ko. Sige, asa ang mga letter C? Alright. Next question is all about literature. Literature. Alright. Kinsay nagsulat sa novel na Romeo and Juliet? Grabe, wala pagpalit ko nag-answer. Grabe na music. Kinsay nagsulat sa novel na Romeo and Juliet? A. William Shakespeare, B. Michael Spring, C. William Roberts, or D. Steve Madison? Again, kinsay nagsulat sa Romeo and Juliet? A. William Shakespeare, B. Michael Spring, C. William Roberts, D. Steve Madison. Madison. Alright, and 1, 2, 3, go! Alright. Ay, salamat. Sa YouTube mahuman ron. Thank you so much. Alright, the correct answer is letter A. William Shakespeare. Thank you, guys. Alright, next question is all about sports. How many players are there on a soccer team? How many players are there on a soccer team? A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, D. 13. Again, how many players are there on a soccer team? A. 12, B. 11, C. 10, and D. 13. And go! Alright. Pila ka players imong gipili?
12.
12. Pila ka players imong gipili?
11.
Inside sakto, 11 or 12? The correct answer is letter B, 11! Ay, babay, ang gubunta. Tsaka. Okay, kamay na lang. Hey, hey! Next question. Pila kabuok ang barangay sa Iligan City? A, 27, B, 36, C, 44, D, 48. Again, pila kabuok ang barangay sa Iligan? A, 27, B, 36, C, 44, D, 48. Go! Sure, nandiyan din yung answer? Letter C is correct! Next question. It's all about animals. Alright. What is the fastest land animal? Again, what is the fastest land animal? A, lion, B, tiger, C, giraffe, D, cheetah. Again, what is the fastest land animal? A, lion, B, tiger, C, giraffe, D, cheetah. Timer starts now! Alright, stop na. Wala na yung muliho. Again, what is the fastest land animal? Letter C is giraffe. Paspas na mulaga na giraffe. Pasabta ko ninyong duha. Asa ka kita giraffe nga mudagan nga mura og iring. Kataas sa liog sa giraffe, o niya kaspas kay mudagan, pag sure mo duha. The correct answer is letter D! Next question. Which river is the longest in the world? Which river is the longest in the world? A, Amazon River, B, Nile River, C, Mandulog River, or D, Yellow River? Again, which river is the longest in the world? A, Amazon River, B, Nile River, C, Mandulog River, or D, Yellow River? Go! Ay, salamat, mahuman na jud ni. Hoy, ay sasa, sibog mo dari, kaya dili sa nakakuan. Sibog mo guys, ayan. So, pila ka buok dari? Tulo? Okay, again, which river is the longest in the world? A, Amazon, B, Nile River, C, Mandulog River, D, Yellow River. Sure na mo sa inyong tubag. The correct answer is letter B, Nile River. Best, ano ba? Nagtagsa-tagsa, unta mo, best!